Hi, Mace here. In this video, top 3 high-paying affiliate Residual programs, 6-figure income for beginners. In a moment, we'll show you top 3 websites where you can sign up to earn big commissions. The first one is Getresponse. They have two commission structures for you. The first one is a one-time commission. You get $100 for every sales referred. The second one is recurring program. You get 33% for every sales referred as long as that person remain using Getresponse. So as long as they remain as the membership, you get 33% commission. The second one is Clickfunnels affiliate program. They recently changed their commission structure, so every member, every affiliate receive 40% commission on all of their front end offers, including .com secrets book, expert secrets book, and traffic secrets book. In addition to 40% on these front end offers, you also get 100% commission, which is $100 commission for one funnel away challenge and 30 days challenge. And for all of new Clickfunnels affiliates, earn 20% commission on the Clickfunnels subscriptions. And if you would like to earn 30%, you need to make $1,000 in commissions in a single month. And the next one is 40% monthly recurring commissions. You need to have at least 40 active Clickfunnels members paying for their membership through your affiliate link. The last one is Digital. I like this one the most because you get 40% recurring and residual income for life, and you get 2-tier affiliate program. What is 2-tier affiliate program? It means, for example, whoever sign up under you, and then they recruit, they promote their link, and then if someone make the purchase, you also make the commission. You earn 10% commission. You get 10% commission if you are, so it's two different commission structures. The first one, if you're a free member, you get 20% commission. If another affiliate close the sale or make the sale, you get 10% of the commission. But if you are a lifetime member, which is the price $13.97 for pro membership, for lifetime membership, you get 40% commission. You get double. Instead of 20% commission, you get 40% commission. And if another affiliate cross the sale, you get 20% commission instead of 10% commission. So I highly recommend, if you want to make big money, that highly recommend to upgrade to $13.97, because 20% commission is okay, but when you get to 40% commission, and then you get additional 20% commission for that from the tier 2, that where's the big money. You potentially earn 6-7 figures a year from Groovefunnels affiliate program. If you would like to sign up, the link in the description below. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumb up. And click subscribe button below this video, and also a bell notification icon, so when I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, have yourself a good one.